Welcome to another vlog. I ordered this, and this is actually for the 86, for the new Toyota 86, and I believe for the BRC. But I ordered it because, to me, I believe it fit the WRX. You see? So I ordered it. It's not for the WRX, but I did order it. So I'm gonna try it now, just so you guys know. I already lose this ahead of time so it doesn't take me too much time. I'm sorry, I paused because for a minute I thought I had the phone just to take a picture, and I was like, don't tell me I'm not recording. But I am recording. So this is pretty easy. If you have ever replaced this, you just screw it out, screw the new one in. This one already got it almost loose, so I'm hoping it won't be hard to take out. Give me 1 second. Cause I already had it loose before. So, all right, bear with me. I'm gonna have to put the phone here real quick. Hold on, can you see? No. Wait, let me get this phone somewhere where you can see me. Hold on, give me 1 second. Cause I need to grab this with both hands. Cause I won't be able to get it out if I don't grab it with both hands. It's freaking tight. Or maybe if I put a glove on. Hold on, let me put a glove on. I'm sorry. This is what you do. This is what things you gotta do. Give me 1 second. Oh my God, this is a mess. All right, I put my glove on. I'm sorry. This is what happens when you just use your phone. So hopefully, now with my glove on, I can get it out. Oh man, it's hard. This is hard, buddy. Man, I don't know where to put the phone to record it. This is a really bad video. This is a really bad video. I should have took it up before starting recording. And I had it loose already. All right, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. All right. It's coming out. You can tell it's coming out. It's tight. Not gonna lie. Thing is tight. Man, bear with me. I need to use both hands. Hold on. Oh, don't bear with me. All right. I got it. I'm sorry. There you go. Whew. Man, I sweat. So here you go. This is the old one. Boom. You see, it looks just like this one. I'm gonna put this one in. There you go. Simple. Boom. Hold on. Let me fix this down here. I need to put the stitching where it go. There you go. Man, I'm sweating now. It is cold outside, but now I'm sweating. There you go. All right. I can push it all the way in. There you go. There you go. Boom. Right there. Make it a little straight. But yeah, right there. Boom. And that's it. That's the install. Super easy. You know what I mean? If you don't try to record with one hand and do it with one hand, it's super easy. Just tie that up, boom, that's it. You got your e-brake. Does it work? work great. I like the look. So full carbon fiber. It matches all the decals that I got on the car. I'm waiting on this over here. I ordered it, so I'm waiting on this overlays. But yeah, I like the look. Any question, leave it in the comment section. Any comment? There you go. To the next one, be safe.